Setting the fabric in an embroidery hoop. The embroidery hoop varies depending on the machine models. Attach a stabilizer to the wrong side of the fabric. Draw center lines on the fabric. Turn the outer hoop lever and remove the inner hoop. For RE46D and SQ28D, there are two levers. Lay the inner hoop and template on the fabric, matching the center lines of the fabric with the template. Push the inner hoop and fabric into the outer hoop. Turn the outer hoop lever halfway in the direction of the arrow and turn the hoop tightening screws with your fingers. Pull the four sides of the fabric to stretch it tight. Turn the outer hoop levers in the direction of the arrow. Tighten the hoop tightening screw with your fingers until it stops. Remove the template. Make sure that the fabric is stretched tightly in the hoop. Clamp the fabric to the hoop with the clamps when using RE46D and SQ28D hoops. Setting the fabric in embroidery hoop ASQ27D. The embroidery hoop ASQ27D is used for embroidering quilt patterns on quilt layers. Mark the center lines for each section on the quilt top. Position the quilt layers on hoop ASQ27D. Press down the ASQ27D template. While pressing the ASQ27D template close to the outer frame, snap the magnetic clamps onto the hoop to fasten the quilt layers to the hoop. Remove the template.